Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Sheets to Zapier for automated workflows. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Sheets website. Log in to your Google account if prompted. Create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one that you want to use with Zapier. Next, open a new tab and go to the Zapier website. Log into your Zapier account or create one if you don't have it yet. Once you're logged in, click on the Make a Zap button at the top right corner of the screen. In the Trigger section, type Google Sheets in the search bar. Select Google Sheets from the list of available apps. Choose the trigger event you want to use, such as New Spreadsheet Row. Click on the Continue button. Now, you'll need to connect your Google Sheets account to Zapier. Click on the Sign In to Google Sheets button that appears. A pop-up window will appear asking for your Google account details. Select the Google account that has access to your Sheets. Authorize Zapier to access your Google Sheets account. Once connected, choose the specific spreadsheet you want to use. Select the worksheet within that spreadsheet. Click on the Continue button to test the trigger. Zapier will pull in sample data from your selected spreadsheet to ensure the connection works. Now it's time to set up the action step. In the Action section, select the app you want to connect to Google Sheets. Type the name of the app in the search bar and select it. Choose the action event you want to occur in that app. Click Continue. Connect your chosen app to Zapier by following the same authorization. Fill in the necessary fields using data from your Google Sheets, mapping them to the fields required by the Action app. Once filled, click on Continue. Now, it's time to test the action. Zapier will prompt you to test the action to make sure everything works as intended. Click on Test and Review or Test and Continue to execute the test. Check if the test was successful by looking for a confirmation message. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.